Hello, my name is Ashley Hemstreet, and I am the lead dietitian at Sunnyview Rehabilitation Hospital in Schenectady, New York. So today I'm going to be sharing some of the activities that we have planned for National Nutrition Month. The theme is Find Your Flavor, and it encompasses 5 different flavor profiles, which are sour, sweet, bitter, umami, and spicy. So we really wanted to utilize different spices and herbs as a healthy alternative to adding flavor to foods as opposed to salt, which can be very taxing on the heart. And so we came up with a select few herbs and spices, and we are going to be sharing them with different recipes that accentuate their flavor. We're also going to be providing the powerful health benefits and really good cooking uses for them. We also wanted to identify our whole grain superfood for National Nutrition Month. And so we are going to be selecting grains and pairing them with chef-inspired sauces, which evoke different flavor profiles. And we really wanted to keep these activities interactive. So we'll be doing a Guess the Herbs game, a whole grain trivia contest, different raffles, and an action station. And then to celebrate our RDs on National RD Day, which is March 13th, we have asked all of the RDs in our system to provide their favorite flavor along with a recipe that accentuates that flavor profile. And we also asked for short little RD blurbs so that we can come up with a cookbook to share with the different facilities. And that is pretty much an overview of what we're doing here at Sunnyview and throughout St. Peter's Health Partners for National Nutrition Month. We want to wish you a happy National Nutrition Month, and we hope you find your flavor.